Hello there, as my Reunification Railway journey continues, here comes Donghoi, a city with a charm of its own. From local food, quiet beaches, and a meaningful museum to a funny cockroach encounter, Donghoi simply whispers, "Slow down, don't rush." Here, it's all about stillness, reflection, and owning my time. On the train, the stops served dinner that looked good, but I was still full, so I just bought boiled corn for a snack. In my cabin, I shared space with a man who had an amputated arm, his son who assisted him, and a woman with her child. We chatted a bit using Google Translate, simple things like where I'm from and why I was traveling alone. I tried talking more with the man, but he seemed more entertained by how I pronounce Vietnamese words like oi zoi oi, dai la zi, and bao niu. After our short exchanges, I stepped out to check the toilet. Surprisingly, it was reasonably clean. When the train arrived, I booked a grab bike and felt that Dong Hoi had a calm, laid-back vibe. That night, I asked ChatGPT for activity ideas and went to bed early. But woke up to something crawling on my face. Turning on the light, I saw a cockroach. I've seen plenty before, but thought of it flying at me made me want to scream. I couldn't kill it and ended up losing sleep, but I didn't let it ruin my day. After walking around, I got hungry and stopped at a small local restaurant. I simply pointed to what others were eating, and it turned out to be bankan, a comforting noodle soup with thick, chewy noodles made from tapioca or rice flour, like Vietnamese udon. The broth and toppings blended perfectly and it gave me so much energy. Honestly, it was really good. Full and happy, I continued strolling before booking a grab bike to Nutley Beach. Unlike the crowded Gualo Beach, this one was almost empty, so quiet I could count the people under the sun. I wondered why, but maybe it was because it was nearly lunchtime and a weekday. Still, the beach was stunning in its calmness. I sipped fresh coconut juice and thought, sometimes silence is the best company. Inside, I felt a mix of excitement and heaviness. The museum shows the struggles of the people during the wars, reminding me how much was sacrificed for the freedom we enjoy today. It made me reflect on how fortunate we are and why we should never take peace for granted. After the museum, I went to a seafood restaurant to satisfy my cravings. I ordered with Google Translate and ended up with grilled oysters and squid. So good! I took my time savoring each bite while enjoying the ocean view. Eating alone feels normal to me, though sometimes people make it seem unusual. But honestly, I'd rather eat alone than with people who don't enjoy their food. Still, I did think how nice it would be to share a meal like this with someone who loves it too. My stomach was full and happy. And yes, I still use spoon and fork. I'm not much of a chopstick person. That wraps up my Donghoi experience. Chill and simple. Here are my takeaways. Number 1. Life is already complicated, so keep it simple. Number 2. Embrace discomfort when you're too comfortable. Number 3. Slow down. Don't let small things steal your joy. What I mean to say here is that don't let small problems steal your joy. Number 4, cockroaches are everywhere. Don't take it too seriously, okay? That's it for Donghoi's vlog. See you on my next journey to Dongha. Thanks for watching and I hope this vlog gave you some chill vibes. See you. Bye-bye.